these ones, we're moving it to creatures. We've got a lumbar and stumpy them. Stumpy sound. Like a stumpy sound then. People up there. Right, we batty the stuff and then we've got the same time. Let's go back. It's stumpy. She has pepper users. Oh, her batty at the bottom. Where's the story?
Ooh.
Visit today, so not quite up we had that many creatures today. It's the Nurgle, so they make a Nurgle screeched. Okay, the Nurgle screeched then. It's gonna be batty. Look. Yeah, it doesn't have the top. It's definitely it. I did it again. Here again. Stumpy. You can never know the sound now.
Oh.
Well, I'm batting this game. Look at the gangster. Stumpy. It's so stumpy. If I step on it, that big spotted mouse, and if I do it again. So when you put your leg there, it's a biting noise. Yep, I think the upper gets busier than the down one. So you probably hear more batty and stumpy more than lumbar and knuckle.
Oh. Ooh.
The sound of one boy. It scares them better.
Ooh.
Squeak to the bottom. There's a squeak step. If I got it one more time, you want to stand on the escalator so you can hear the humming, feel the humming. It's going to be a lumbar sound when you step on it. Yeah, I'm going to edit it when I get home with the sound of creatures. Every time you stand on the escalator, step off it, makes a creature sound for creatures. Stumpy. Oh, I don't think I did the camera to the up one, I don't think. Stumpy. Oh, he batted on me. Yeah, looks like I get some. See, we hear the Stumpy screech. On the out one. Does it even work if I put my foot there? Yeah, it does. It makes a stumpy sound when you put your foot there. And then it's a stumpy. Yeah, keep it there. You don't hear the creatures, you hear them far. I'm gonna get them now. Okay. She needs to get them wrong. I'll stand here for a little bit. Hear the creatures. I don't even hear batting nurgle at the bottom. Yeah. Alright, that's it.